Hello guys, you are watching Servlet tutorial series and this is Shirodip once again. And now in this particular tutorial we're gonna learn about how to create the HTML file and the web.xml file, and we're gonna write some code over here. So I have already created the HTML file and web.xml file. Now I'm gonna illustrate you how you can create the XML and hello HTML file in order to connect to your hello servlet.java file. Okay, so now you can see that in my project folder, in my web.inf folder, I have created one web.xml and hello.xml. So you can go to your lib folder and you're gonna right click on that new, and then you're gonna click other, and in the other folder you have the XML file option, and after that you're gonna click next and write the name as this web.xml and click finish, so your XML file will be ready. And hello.html can be formed by clicking on web.inf, right click, and you're gonna select new, and you're gonna go to other section, and after that you're gonna select this HTML file and click next and give the file name as hello.html. so after clicking finish, your HTML file will be ready. Now in the HTML file itself, you have to just write this particular code segment over here. That is, you have to write the form action as hello, that is your particular form name, and input type will be submit, that is will be the submit button, and value will be submit. Now the title you can give according to your choice, but I have written as first servlet, and in the header 1 section you can just give your body, that is thanks for watching, I have written. And coming to the web.xml file, so this is the main configuration file of your servlet. So now you have to create your configuration file for your servlet. Now first you have to write web app. Okay, so this is the web application XML, and after that your welcome file list. So welcome file list is the tag for the servlet to understand that when the servlet will be loaded in your localhost machine, and then the welcome file, you can give unlimited number of welcome file over here. For that, in each and every welcome file you have to create an HTML file for your servlet. So here I have created one welcome file, that is hello.html, and I have created the hello.html file itself. Now now in the welcome file, in the tag of welcome file, uh, the matter whatever you have written in the welcome file tag, that file will be automatically loaded when you run your servlet in your localhost machine. Now display name will be the display name will be displayed into your particular hello.html file when it will be loaded into your memory. Now here comes the main tag of your servlet. So this is the link up of your servlet to your web.xml. So in order to create the link up, you have to write the servlet tag, then the servlet name. The servlet name, you can write your servlet name, whatever name you have declared. So I have declared my servlet name as hello servlet, and servlet class also, this is the particular class hello servlet.java. So I have given the name as hello servlet itself, and after that I have closed my servlet tag, and then you have to map your servlet to your particular HTML file, because we are using our form action, and I have given one input type as submit. So after clicking the submit, this has to be mapped to the hello servlet class, and in the hello servlet there is a println statement, that is hello from servlet. So I have to map my servlet to my HTML file. So in order to do that, I have to use this tag servlet mapping, then the servlet name in which you want to map to your HTML, that is the hello servlet, and my URL pattern is slash hello. That means my in order to create the mapping, first my hello servlet will be first installed, first will be loaded in my localhost, and then the slash hello will called. Okay, that means my hello HTML will be called automatically, and then the closing syntax of URL pattern and servlet mapping, and also the web app of your XML file. Now let us run this particular program in our server to see that what are the feature that is which you are interacting. Now click on the simple servlet, run as you can create, run on server. So Tomcat version 7 is installed in my machine, and click finish. So restart server will be option, and click OK. So Eclipse has its own browser that you can see that now you can see that my localhost 8081 and simple servlet has been deployed in my Eclipse default browser. Now there is a slash, and that means that my hello.html is not loaded. So I have to click submit, then the mapping will exist, then the mapping will perform, and my hello.html will be displayed. And then thanks for watching is from the servlet class. Okay, now whenever I click the submit button, this is hello from servlet is being displayed, and hello is been there. So now let's have a look in my hello.html. This is the first servlet, and this is thanks for watching. So hello.html is automatically get implemented in my welcome, as because I have written in my welcome file list, that is welcome file in hello.html. So first it get implemented the thanks for watching and the button. So hello.html is not being displayed over here, but it is running. Okay, so thanks for watching. So after you click the submit button, then comes your hello.html class and hello.html file itself, and after that, that is the URL pattern. Okay, URL pattern. And after that, when it get interacted with the simple servlet, then the URL pattern is changed. Okay, you can describe the URL pattern according to your choice. You can also omit the URL pattern, but I have declared as because I want to show you that my servlet is being connected to my hello servlet particular class of my servlet when I deployed it in my localhost. So this is the output from hello from servlet. You can see the output that I have written in my servlet class, that is out.println is equal to hello from servlet. So this is printing. So this is the basics of my servlet tutorial, and from next tutorial onwards we're gonna implement some more feature in my localhost machine. So this is the tutorial of the deployment of your servlet in your localhost machine. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.